I thought I'd do something a little different today, so I'm gonna go ahead and hook this radio up. I like these old radios, man. They're small, they're compact, they're fairly reliable if you don't have to solder them a million times. I just have to move a few things here. I got all my old books, 1952 QST, pretty cool. So yeah, the venerable 430, I guess they might call it. Let's take the cord over here. Some of these had problem with the power cord. Issues with it, but I don't know. The 430 and the 440 are really similar in a lot of ways. Hey, if all else fails, you can just scrap it and build a CB amplifier out of it. I mean, what the hell? Let's try doing a little cheating over here. I'm going to pull up the web SDR. I still have a live stream going. I just leave these going now. Nobody really gets on there and watches them. We just have like 4 or 5 people, regular subscribers that get on there. It's kind of like a chat window now. But YouTube doesn't push my streams at all, so anyway, we're looking for this one. Let's see, where's 10 meters going to be? Let's scroll down there. Arkansas QSO party. I'm not. Oh. I thought this was all 10 meters. Yeah, 10's dead. Wow. 14,250. I'm just gonna turn the volume off on that, and then I would see there's like a 1 megahertz. Let's see here. This radio does a weird thing where, let's see, 1 megahertz step. I don't see it lighten up. Okay. Wow, there's nothing. By the way, this video does not transmit on 11 meters. It doesn't flash at you or do anything. It just doesn't. It's locked. Probably one of the few. It sounds really narrow. I don't know what the filter setup is on AM on this. I heard like a little bit of a signal. Let's see. When you think about the feature set that this radio had when it came out, it's pretty crazy. And then they came out with the 440 and put a damn tuner in it, which had a lot of problems actually. But I prefer this over that fucking goofy ass keypad that's on the 440. The 440 keypad has key balance and all sorts of other issues. Anyway, these bands are definitely totally closed. Now the mode and all that doesn't track with the bands, so you don't have band stack. And the frequency stays wherever you leave it at. Where were we at? We're on. Not hearing anything here. There's no filter, so I think there's a CW filter. So when you put it on narrow, it just blanks out. So I can see the signal on Utah, but I ain't hearing it here. This is gonna be like an AGC problem. You hear how that changes? It's got dirty relays. See, it's quiet. That's the relays, they're dirty. It's a common problem on these. Yeah, it's a cool radio though. I mean, you know. Good radio for a CB operator, really. I see a lot of signals on Utah. Like Utah is loaded, but not here. I love the step button on these. It makes it move fast. Why am I not picking up any of this? Apparently, propagation is a lot better than Utah. See how it doesn't change the mode?
Right now we're under 4. We're about 3.65 currently. But boy, something is really tanking here. Yeah, you just dropped into the noise.
Well, that's the hot stuff in the day back in the 60s. Or maybe early 70s. But anyway, yeah, we're about, well, you got your signals, got a lot of QSC on it. You fade down to nothing, pretty much, and then you're back to almost S9. So the band is changing. So back to you, Joe.
It'd been nice if they'd have made like a big version.
Okay, thank you, W7RQM.
I guess they kind of did. They made the 830, or the, not the 830, but the 930. This has got more in common with the 930 than the 940. Because the 830 is kind of a silver color. Another thing, these radios were meant to do a 100% duty cycle. FM, I think even AM, RTTY. Well, the bands are not real good. Well, that's it for me. I mean, yeah, bands are terrible.